Hello awesome humans, I'm back with another video. Today I'm unboxing the new Nintendo Switch Lite Hyrule Edition, and I also picked up a copy of The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom because it looks pretty freaking awesome, and I'm so happy that Zelda finally gets her chance to be able to be playable. So keen to play this soon, but let's put this aside and take a look at the awesome looking gold edition of the Nintendo Switch Lite. The box is pretty cool, pretty stock standard as you would expect from Nintendo. I only recently got into Zelda ever since Breath of the Wild. So I played Breath of the Wild and then I played Tears of the Kingdom, and I went back and also played Link's Awakening, which I also really enjoyed. And I love that this is in the Link's Awakening style as well. I really enjoyed that visual style, and being an animator myself, I can really appreciate that they put the effort into making it look so cutesy and really committing to that style over a few games now. So that's really cool. But let's unbox this bad boy, get into it. And this will probably be the last Switch Lite Special Edition from Nintendo, because the Switch 2 is coming out next year, so that'll be really interesting. So here is the... Wow, that is different. That's basically just straight up gold. Oh, I've got it upside down. Take it out. Whoa. Hello. That is such a full-on colour. Wow. Do you know what? It actually looks so much better in person. It looks not too overwhelming, but it also kind of demands your attention. Wow, I don't have a Switch Lite at the moment, and I forgot how small these things were. It looks very nice. It's pretty much what you would expect from gold. Oh, the buttons are also gold as well. So you've got the off-on button, the volume button, and the game card all in the gold. Yeah, that's nice. And the micro SD card as well. I'm just booting it on just to see. And we've got a Switch here. Cool. I'll put this aside and see what else is in the box. Probably not that much. You know what Nintendo's like. They're pretty skimpy on these things. Most companies are, which is fine. Oh yeah, you do get a 12-month membership with this as well. And obviously I'm going to be blurring this out. Actually, I'll probably already have used it, so it's pointless. But yeah, 12-month version of the Nintendo Online membership. Got some random paperwork. And the power brick, as usual. So, pretty stock standard, honestly. Nothing too exciting. Let me just put all of this stuff away. So yeah, we've got the Switch here. I'm going to set this up and chuck in Zelda. So I'm all signed in now, and I'm going to pop in The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom. Very excited. Just going to play a tiny bit of this just to see how it is. Cool. Oh, of course. I'll just start software. Should be fine. So one of the main reasons I bought a Switch Lite instead of a Switch OLED is because I actually purchased a replacement mod screen that I'm going to be doing a video on. It's an OLED panel that gets replaced on the front of the Switch Lite to make it a OLED version. So I'm going to be making a video on that in the future, and stick around for that because I'm going to be doing it on this Switch, and I'm also going to be getting one of the blue Switches as well because I bought 2 of them. So that's going to be a fun little project that I want to work on sometime in the future. Oh, you actually get to play as Link. That's kind of sick. So yeah, like I said before, I've got a replacement screen on the way, and I'm going to be doing a whole video on that, and I got 2 versions of it, so I'm really keen to be doing that because the screen on this isn't that great. It's really low contrast, and I mean there it looks good because there's no reflections, but yeah, I've always wanted the Switch Lite to have an OLED, and Nintendo just never did it. So, I mean, I'm really grateful that other people are putting in the effort to, you know, to make that possible, which is really cool. This is cool so far. Anyway, I'm going to go off and play this now. But that's the Switch Lite, basically. Same as usual, just a new paint job on the outside, but it's very nice. The gold color is really, really nice, especially in it's like a metallic-y gold. It looks really nice when it reflects the sun, or the light rather, but yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to have a video very soon once the part arrives of me replacing 2 of my Switch Lite screens with the replacement OLED panel. So that's going to be really interesting because the difference in quality is going to be probably massive. And I'll have a side-by-side of the 2 panels, one with the LCD and one with the OLED. So I'm really excited for that. That's going to be my first like real proper big video. So if you want to stay tuned and be alerted when that comes out, just hit the subscribe button. And I've heard that the bell button can help with that too, just to get you notified when I bring that out. But yeah, thank you for the support on my last video as well. I really appreciate it, the iPhone unboxing. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos soon just because the reception was so good. And I really appreciate all the really cool comments. I read them all, and yeah, I appreciate the support. So that's it from me for today, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.